Hi everyone, and welcome to 411. So you made it. This is it. This is the last class. Not the easiest one though. Lots of work ahead for you guys, but some fun work, some really cool work. Everything is gonna come to life, and that's why it's really cool. So you pretty much went through the most difficult thing pretty much you can do in video game art up to now. And by the end of it, you pretty much know it very well, all the pipeline from creating the character, modeling it, adjusting the mesh, unwrapping it, texturing it. That's what you did last class. And now you are going to animate it. But before you animate it, there's a lot of things that needs to be done. Alright, you can't just animate it like that. You're gonna have to first create a bone structure inside a skeleton, basically, just like a human skeleton. We make it fairly simple though, as you will see in the videos. Then after you're done with the skeleton, what you do is that you are going to create a puppeteering system. That's right, just like with a puppet with rope, we're going to create certain shapes that are going to be controlling certain bones of the rig. It doesn't get deeper than that. And you are going to attach also the skin to the mesh, and then obviously the puppeteering system to the rig. So when you move the puppeteering system, the rig moves, which moves the mesh. And I'll show you that really soon in another video, of course. So there's no time to waste whatsoever. It is a class that takes a lot of time. There's not that many homework every week, but maybe one or two, but they are complex homework that requires a lot of time to do it. That's what you need to understand. So it's very important that you start right away. Okay, but if you get through my two first classes and you're here now, you know that you understand how it works and you're ready to rock. I'm sure of it. So I've no worry about that. As usual, you get the welcome and start here. You know who I am. I'm not sure you want to look at that. Let me turn off the edit mode. I'm not sure you'll look at that, but that's pretty much as usual right here. Okay, let me put that. And class introduction also about everything that's going on in the class. Okay, you have your textbook information, which is rigging for games. All right, you're welcome. There's no, there's really no need to grind it if you can't afford it. All right, this is a nice book, and you can use that to actually complement what's going on. But you can get out of the class with just my lectures, okay? But it's a good book, but it covers more than just rigging. All right, it uses also Python, which we don't go through, so that might be good for you guys, okay? And then after that, you have your course syllabus right here, as usual, and you have the course schedule. As you can see, we start real quick, right away. Due on the 27th, you're gonna have 10 days to basically completely create an actual rig for your character. Alright, and then the week after, you are going to skin it. You're gonna skin, and I give you a little bit more time at the beginning so you understand the principles. Because we start half week, we start on Thursday, so you have 3 days more, and that you can get going again, obviously. And then you have week 2, you're gonna skin your character to the rig. So the rig is gonna be attached to the skin, basically. So when you move the rig, it moves the character. And after that, you're gonna create the puppeteering system, as we talked earlier, to move your bones. That will move the skin. And then after that, all the weeks after that are just pure animation. The first one, you will create an idle in week 4, and an extended loop with it. So you have a simple idle, and you have the extended one, obviously. And then after that, in week 5, you're gonna do the walk cycle, which is very important. That's the basic of every character. And then the run cycle in week 6. And in week 7, you got a lot of work. This is crunch time for me. Week 7 is only a couple days. You have only 4 days to do it, so it's half time, and that's done in purpose, kind of. So you're in crunch time like you would be in the industry, and you will have to do 2 animations. But those animations are yours, specific to your character, and you'll see that in the specification of the exercise itself when you get to week 7. And you also will have to take a final test. Alright, so as you can see, a lot of stuff going on. As usual, you cannot work in advance. You have to go through just the week that shows up right here. That's how it goes down to. If you see that, as usual, my class is ready. I've been teaching that for a fairly long time. Alright, and I just update it from time to time to bring new techniques and new videos. By the way, new videos, what I have right now is with the previous, not 17, that's week 1, not 17 for the lectures right here. I am doing 17 right now as we speak, the latest version. So you have everything, but it's very similar beside the skinning, so you should be okay anyway. But I'm putting new videos, but remember this is for Classic Maya and pre 17, and I'm going to show you 17 also on that. Okay, that's pretty much it. Make sure your work is ready in time, and remember, general questions on the forum, post every week your work, and if you have a personal question, to my email. Do not email me general questions because they are useful for the students. Okay, take it easy and good luck. Have fun, guys.